Welcome back to Berry Life, bringing you easy and delicious recipes from around the world. With the summer upon us and the temperatures rising, we've been craving colder dishes that are fresh and replenishing. So today we're making an Asian chopped salad. It's full of crisp veggies and a savory dressing bursting with flavor. So let's get started. We'll start by toasting some peanuts. These will add a bit of crunch and protein to the salad. Once they're toasted, we'll set them aside to cool while we prep the other ingredients. For the vegetables, we'll start with some green cabbage. This is a rather large head, but we're only going to need about a quarter. Using a sharp knife, we're going to slice the cabbage into thin strands like this. It really does help to have a sharp knife for this. Otherwise it tends to slip, and that's never a good thing. As the saying goes, dull is dangerous. Applicable in the kitchen as well as life. We want these fine strands not just for their visual appeal or ease of handling. The thin strands increase the surface area to come in contact with the dressing, and this helps to tenderize it quickly. If you're short on time, you can use a mandolin for this step, as my wife prefers to. We've added a link to her all-time favorite one in the description below. However, for me, cutting vegetables is therapeutic, so I prefer to use a knife. Also, be sure to check out the description below for the full recipe of this salad. These look good. So we'll add it to our large salad bowl. Next we have some vibrant red cabbage. We just love the bright bursts of color it lends to the salad. Again, similar to the green cabbage, we'll julienne these into slivers. When combining a bunch of ingredients, it's important to keep the shape of the cut in mind. The more alike the shape of the ingredients, the more evenly everything blends together in the final product. What do you call a purple cabbage that's the famous artist? Vincent van Gogh. The purple color in the cabbage is actually due to a pigment called anthocyanins. Anthocyanins actually have antioxidant properties, which just adds on to the health benefits of cabbage. One of my favorite parts of making the salad is layering the colorful ingredients, almost like creating a painting. Next, for a bit of beta carotene, we have some carrots for that beautiful orange color. We'll julienne these as thinly as possible as well. Carrots have numerous health benefits. They help with dental, heart, bone, and skin health. They also increase immunity and help with digestion. So we try to incorporate them as much as possible into our meals, or just a healthy snack. Oh wow, look at this. Our masterpiece is really coming together. Here we have a red hot long pepper. It's a bit spicier than a bell pepper, but not by much. We love it for its bright red color. We'll slice them at a diagonal like this. We get these in a bulk packet at the Asian grocery store. Usually we go through these quickly for various recipes, but they store well in a ventilated container as well. Next we have some aromatic Thai basil. This is probably about a cup. We'll take the leaves off the stem by snipping them at the base. Then we'll give it a rough 1-2 chop, or we can tear it apart by our hands as well. As we chop, the fragrance of the Thai basil is already enticing. Along with the Thai basil, we'll add some fresh mint for another burst of aromatics. Here's a trick to quickly pull the leaves off the stem. Hold the stem at their base with one hand, and with the other hand, run your fingers down the stem pulling the leaves off. There, easy peasy. This salad works on so many levels. Not only is it going to be visually stunning, but it'll have a beautiful aroma and an amazing taste and texture. We'll give the mint a rough 1-2 chop, and then add it to our bowl. Next we'll add some green onions. We're only going to add the green part, but feel free to add the white parts if you like. We'll stay on theme and cut the green onions into inch-long pieces. Feel free to use any cut you like. After all, You are the Picasso of your own salad. This salad is incredibly versatile. You can add, remove, or adjust just about any ingredient. Now to add a bit of crisp and snap, we'll add some bean sprouts. They'll lend a boost of protein and keep you cool and hydrated. Then we'll add our toasted peanuts, along with some sesame seeds. These add a nice textural component. Now that the salad ingredients are in the bowl, we'll prepare a quick Asian dressing. For this, we'll need a couple of Thai chilies for some heat, but not too spicy. We'll chop them finely and set them aside. To a mason jar, we'll add 6 tablespoons of light soy sauce, along with 6 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar, or mirin. You can also make this salad dressing the night before. We make a large batch and store it in the refrigerator for a few days. Then a tablespoon and a half of vegan fish sauce. This is made from mushroom powder, dried kelp, and apple cider vinegar. If you're not into fish sauce, feel free to skip it. We like it for its savoriness. Next, 4 tablespoons of sesame oil. We're basically making a vinaigrette with a combination of oil and vinegar, along with other ingredients. However, this is a lighter vinaigrette, as there is more vinegar and less oil. Then for a citrusy punch, 2 tablespoons of lime juice. Along with 3 tablespoons of agave nectar for a sweet element to round out the flavors. With the liquid ingredients added, we'll add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and our 2 Thai chilies. Then close the lid and give it a good shake. That's it, the dressing is ready. Now we can add it to our salad bowl. We're only adding half of this to the bowl, which should be enough. Then we'll give it a gentle toss. The dressing is going to collect at the bottom, so it's important to lift all the ingredients from the bottom to coat them evenly. As you're combining all the ingredients, you'll notice the salad may be shrinking in size. That's to be expected, as the salt from the soy sauce and the rice wine vinegar are beginning to wilt the vegetables and extract water from them ever so slightly, which tenderizes them. That's it, the salad is ready. We hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more great content. We upload recipes every week and you don't want to miss out. We'll serve ourselves a generous portion and top it off with more peanuts and sesame seeds. And for the coup de grace, fried shallots and crispy garlic. Speaking of, be on the lookout for our recipe for air fried shallots and garlic, along with the obligatory green onions. This is one of our favorite salads for picnics. We store the dressing and the ingredients separately until we're ready to serve. It's perfect for a day at the vineyards or farm breweries. It's crunchy, crispy, tangy, sweet, with a little bit of heat from the bird's eye chilies. Ooh, mommy, it's so good. There you have it, a taste of Asia right in the comfort of your own kitchen. If you make this salad, let us know in the comments below, or tag us on Instagram at BerryBerryLife. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. Enjoy!